keep learning, grow with Nemo.
Grab a cart, come walk with me. A busy store for you to see. Doors go slide, open wide. Supermarket time inside. Fruits and veggies fresh and bright. Red and green, what a sight. Apples, bananas, big and small. Healthy foods for one and all. Milk and cheese on shelves so neat. Eggs and butter cool and sweet. Dairy section clean and cold. So many yummy things to hold. Bread and buns all lined in rows. Smells so good my tummy knows. Brown bread, white bread, soft and round. Bakery fun is all around. Snacks and cereals up so high. Crunchy treats go crunch, crunch, high. Boxes, packets, every size. So many choices for my eyes. Freezer hums, brr, so cold. Ice cream treats in colors bold. Frozen peas and pizzas too. Chili foods for me and you. Now we go to pay the bill. Stand in line and wait so still. Beep, 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 the scanner goes. Thank you, cashier, off we go. Bags are packed, shopping's done. Supermarket trip was fun. Bye-bye store, see you soon. We'll come back another noon. Thanks for watching, keep learning and growing with Nemo.